This 2016 Forest River Wildcat 323 RBX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.